a printer driver for an old 1990s Hewlett-Packard 2100 printer. So I have this old 2100 HP printer, which is on an IP address on my local network. So what we'll do here is we'll try to add this printer, and hopefully you know your IP address. So we'll go to IP, and I'm going to put in my IP address for my printer, 168.1.200. That's the IP for this printer. And before I tried to do this with the Hewlett-Packard drivers and it didn't work. So now it says use that. Let's not do that. Let's see what else we can find. So I'm going to select software here. And then from this list, I'm going to find the HP Laserjet 2100. There it is, hit that. Now, what's interesting is I think this will ask to grab a software from Apple, which is good. Aha, so it's missing. Yes, because I trashed the Hewlett-Packard drivers, they weren't working. Download from Apple, yes, yes, yes. Because it might work, right? Downloading software, update, good, 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 and not from Hewlett-Packard, thank God. Hewlett-Packard gives you tons of bloatware. I hear the printer firing up. So before it would say install 2100 without finding software. It just put in some generic driver. When you pick it from a list, it seems like it'll grab the right stuff. Let's see if it does. Still installing here. It definitely touched the printer because the printer has the engine whirring in there, the actual Canon printing engine's whirring around, making some noise. All right, it's getting there. I'm running Mojave here, so, or Catalina. I'm actually running Catalina. So anyway, it almost acts like it is Hewlett-Packard software. It's taking so long. Will it work? That's the question. Boy, it takes a while. So I put Hewlett-Packard software in my trash can, and I emptied the trash can out, so I know it's not able to get that old driver I had. It must have downloaded something from Apple. All right, creating device. I hear it firing up. Let's see what it prints out. It usually prints out garbage. Let's see what it does this time. I've only had luck with Windows 10 with this printer, and this time it's printing out garbage again, so it didn't work. Okay, so it's putting out Postscript 3.0 query. So it's trying to send Postscript to this thing. And I know my printer is PCL 5, it's not Postscript, so can we change that? Options and supplies. I want to get off Postscript. What if I hit this? I just don't think I'll get off Postscript. So it really can't talk to my printer, period. And it's thinking I'm in Postscript. That's not going to help. That's not going to help. Last printer used. That's not going to help at all. So I really want to get this thing on to PCL 5. And I don't see a way to do that. Okay, well, I'm going to jump this video and post it. Not working yet. Look for a subsequent video, which I might have a solution, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.